Hi everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. Have you missed me? Because I missed you. Today we're visiting unique detailing in our hometown Klaipeda in Lithuania. We came here to share our experience, our knowledge with the guys, and we're gonna work on a very unique car. So let's walk inside because it's freezing, very freezing. Ooh. Guys, please meet Alex, the owner of Unique Detailing.
Hi guys.
So Alex, what we're doing today?
Today we're installing paint protection film on this Bentley Bentayga.
So let's do it. Now is the time for this part, and let's do it together. First step, cleaning, as always. I need water. I just got new bottle. Just look at the color. I love it. It's really good. Panels already cut it on the plotter. Need to peel it from backing paper. Most important part is aligning. Let's start from this edge. If PPS doesn't slide, just spray a bit more slip solution. That's it. Let's clean it. Swipe the water. and it's done, nice and shiny. So we have this beautiful Bentley Bentayga, first edition Bentley Bentayga in beautiful goldish yellow color, and we're installing paint protection film on an entire car. So far so good, bonnet is done, front fender is done, rear quarter panel is done, and we will continue working on other side. Have you seen Bentley Bentayga interior? Because I haven't. It's my first time working on this specific model, so let's check how it looks. So guys, as you see, this project is finished. The entire car is wrapped using paint protection film, including headlights and black trims. Thank you, Alex, for inviting me, trusting me. It was a pleasure to meet you and share my knowledge with your team.
Thank you for help. I hope you will be back.
Definitely, we will come back. Guys, don't forget to check Unique Detailing on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. As well, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.